one of the most noticed and outstanding feature of this year's iPhone 14 Pros were of course the dynamic island. The moment I saw it, I realized that it is going to be a feature that's going to be copied worldwide by other Android smartphone manufacturers. And it seems that Realme is in the verge of making one for their own. But yeah, you might have seen a lot of videos about mimicking the dynamic island on your Android smartphone, and this video is going to be something like that. So in this video, we're going to take a look at how to bring in dynamic island on your Android smartphone. Without wasting any more further time, let me introduce myself. I'm your host Arnav and you are watching Tech Arena. And don't forget to leave a like to this video if you really enjoy it, share this with your friends, and also subscribe to Tech Arena for more interesting tech videos. So now let's get started. Alright, so to bring in Dynamic Island on your Android smartphone, you need to download an application called as Dynamic Spot. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to check it out. It will take you to the download page of Dynamic Spot. So after downloading the app, you have to enable all the permissions which the app asks. So, as soon as you open the application, it will ask you 3 permissions for you to enable. Just tap on all 3 and enable all the permission that the app requires. And now just watch this video carefully because I'm going to tell you some settings in order to make you experience the whole of the dynamic island on Android. Because if you don't do these settings, then you might end up having some buggy or sluggy dynamic island UI by using this application. So there are some settings that you need to set before you start using the dynamic island on Android through this application. So the first thing that you need to do is to tap on notifications and choose battery. Then you have to tap on all, which will enable all the options shown below. Next, come back to the main menu and then tap on pop-up settings. Now if you tap on dimensions, you can adjust the size and position of the dynamic island according to your needs. Then come back and enable allow to pop-ups, which will let you have 2 pop-ups just like an iPhone. Then also enable swipe to clear, which will let you clear the notification when you swipe it up. The last and final thing to do is to enable when touching outside, which is an option which will let you tap on your screen to minimize your pop-up when it's expanded. So there you have it. These are the settings that you need to keep for having a flawless experience of dynamic island for your Android smartphone, a low budget dynamic island for your Android smartphone. Yes, I do agree that it's not so perfect as you can see on an iPhone 14 Pro. It is good. It's quite good. It is one of the best versions that you can now download on your Android smartphone until and unless it comes natively on certain other smartphones like Xiaomi, Realme, etc. etc. Anyways, the key features of this particular dynamic spot being when a music plays, you can see it up top. When you tap and hold on it, the pop-up expands where you can pause, scrub, and also skip to the next music track. And then you can see when a message arrives from WhatsApp or messages or anything like that. If you tap on that, you can reply directly. And then apart from that, you can also have 2 notifications up top, just like an iPhone, where one will be a pill shape and one will be a round shape one. So that is a 2 notification UI. And then you can also see the charging animation while you plug it on charger. So these are some of the key features of the dynamic island for your Android smartphone by using Dynamic Spot. So what do you guys think about this whole feature, this whole gimmicky thing that you can set up in your Android smartphone? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Will you ever try it, or will you just pass it? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And as always, if you end up liking this video, drop a like and also share this video with all of your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech Arena because we upload interesting tech videos on daily basis. And if you have any idea of any tech videos that we want to make in the future, then drop your ideas in the comment section below. I'll try to work on it and bring a good content for you guys. And also don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I post any new video. So this is me, Arnav, signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.